VlOGMAS. It's your favorite tall girl in a small world. I don't know why I just said that, but whatever. It's your girl Deja Nikira. Happy VlOGMAS. Today's video is a get ready with me tutorial watch video, something of that nature. Pretty much you're gonna watch me turn into this because trust me, I didn't look like this about an hour ago. So normally I don't really do a real full face like with foundation and everything, but tonight we did that. So we're giving you face, and you know, you're gonna see the full little transformation here. We're in a pandemic, so it's not like, you know, I have many places to go as of late, but if you want to take pictures for content, if you do have a boo and y'all doing your own little private like date night thing, you're doing a full face, this is like one of my go-to looks because the eyes are super easy but it still gives you the pop of color. I kind of switched up this method with other colors, but right now this like oil water green color is really my thing. So I don't know, that's what I'm going with. But if you guys think I look cute and you want to see how I got like this, keep watching. Wait, before you go, y'all know the rules. Hit the subscribe button, hit the notification bell, because it is 25 days of Christmas. That means you get 25 days of Deja, and you don't want to miss a day, so make sure you hit the subscribe button. All right, now go ahead and watch the video. Somebody explain to me why my foundation looks like this. I'm really not sure what this is giving, but it's damn near giving me like Jamaican basement party ready, like cause no, like enjoyed the video. Like always, stay cute and stay blessed. Till next time, I will see you guys tomorrow because it's Vlogmas. Bye, y'all.